2015 Honda Civic Coupe 2DR car. This vehicle features the following equipment: 6-speed MT, 4-cylinder engine 2.4L, front-wheel drive, fully automatic aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps, W delay off, variable intermittent wipers, light tinted glass, instrument panel bin, driver and passenger door bins, Honda Link selective service internet access, perimeter alarm, 45 Ah 410 cca maintenance-free battery, sport-tuned suspension, front-wheel drive, light tinted glass, variable intermittent wipers, express open-close sliding and tilting glass, first row sunroof, W sunshade,